Welcome to GoSkills. I'm Missi, an account manager with GoSkills. Your business has purchased training for you, and getting started on the training is easy. First, check your email for an invitation to join GoSkills and get started. The invite will come from info@GoSkills.com. If you don't see an email invitation, check your spam folder just in case. If you still don't see one, double check with your administrator to make sure the invitation has been sent. Once you find the invite, open the email and click on the Join Now button to get started. This will take you to the GoSkills website where you can create your own account. First, you will enter your full name, first and last name. Next, enter your preferred name, the name that you wish to be called throughout the site. The email field should already be populated with your email address. Next, you will create a password that you will remember. This is how you will log into GoSkills going forward, by going to GoSkills.com, entering the email address and the password that you've created. Once you enter your password, click the Create an Account button. You will then land on your learner's dashboard. Take the short tour to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. When the tour is complete, you will see a nice welcome message and a button to browse courses. You can view the courses this way, or you can use the navigation on the left-hand side. The Assignments navigation option will show you any courses that your administrator has specifically assigned to you. These are the courses you should look at first. Some of the assigned courses may even have due dates, so pay attention to make sure you complete the courses on time. The next option is the Training Library. This is where you can access all other courses offered by GoSkills. We have a variety of courses in the areas of Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office, Lean Six Sigma, Finance, Project Management, Office Productivity, Soft Skills, Design, and Development. You can take a look through these courses to find the course that you'd like to work on. The completed course option is where the courses can be found once the course is done. So once you've completed the entire course, the course will be moved to the completed option in your navigation. This is where you can go to print your certificate, or if you want to access lessons in the course again, you can go to the completed option, go to the course, and access those courses again. Let's go to the Training Library and start a course. Find the course you want to work on and click on that course. This will open to a page with more information about the course. You can read through an overview on the course, watch a short video about the course, see the number of lessons and estimated study time for the course, review the accreditations. All GoSkills courses are accredited with continuing professional development. You can also check out information about the instructor and browse the syllabus. When you are ready to get started, click the Start Course button in the top right. This will take you to the Lessons page. Each GoSkills course is set up and structured in the same way. The courses are broken down into lessons. Each lesson has a short video around 5 minutes. Below the lessons or to the right, depending on the view you have selected, you will find the exercise files. You can download these exercises to get more hands-on practice. There's a quick reference guide you can read through and download for future reference. There's transcripts that will allow you to follow along with the video tutorial. And there's a notes section. There is also a short quiz at the end of every lesson. The quiz is typically 3 multiple choice questions. Once the quiz is submitted, you will receive the feedback or the results immediately. We will show you a nice green check mark if the answer is correct and a red X if the answer is incorrect. If it is incorrect, we will show you how you answered. We'll explain why that is not correct, and we will show you what the correct answer is. At the bottom, you will see that the option, if you do not get all the answers correct, is to go back and view this lesson again, or to try the quiz again. If you get all the answers in the quiz correct, your option will be to go to the next lesson. As you work through the lessons, you will see your progress is tracked. If you complete the lesson with 100% on the quiz, you will receive a green tick. And if you complete it without 100%, you will receive a yellow tick. This just helps you keep track of the lessons that are done and allows you to easily pick back up where you left off. When you go back to the dashboard, you will see the course that you were working on. It's now located on the first page of the dashboard. So right when you log in and land on your dashboard, you will see that course. So you can easily click it to get started back up and go to the lesson that you are ready to start next. As you can see, getting started and working through the courses is relatively easy. But if you have any questions, we're happy to help. You can always go to the help and support option on the navigation, and you will see that there is a quick contact form that you could fill out and send to us, or you can see that our phone number and email address are listed so you can reach out that way as well. We're excited to have you on board and training with GoSkills. We hope you enjoy. Thanks so much.